Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, this is our third and final offering for the Planters Peanuts vending machine by Sun Manufacturing. Again, we got two identical units with the powder blue and cream base. The other one, I believe, was cream on cream. Really did a nice job restoring them. They're just nice, clean units. And like I said in the other videos, if you were looking for a gift for the holidays or want to get somebody going for a collector, or you yourself would be interested in start collecting, this would be an excellent piece to start with.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.